Here is a delicious recipe for almond puddings with strawberry jam. This dessert is a harmonious blend of the sweetness of almonds and the acidity of strawberries, creating a pleasant contrast on the palate. Ingredients: 100 grams of almond flour, 50 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, 250 milliliters of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, strawberry jam, quantity to taste. Fresh strawberries for garnishing, optional. Sliced almonds for garnishing, optional. Preparation: in a medium bowl, mix the almond flour with sugar, a pinch of salt, and cornstarch. In another bowl, beat the eggs and mix them with the vanilla extract and almond milk. Combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients and stir until you have a smooth, lump-free mixture. Pour the mixture into small molds or pudding cups. Cook in a water bath in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the puddings are well cooked but still a bit wobbly in the center. Let the puddings cool before placing them in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours to set. When ready to serve, add a spoonful of strawberry jam on top of each pudding. Decorate with fresh strawberries and toasted sliced almonds if desired. Trivia: almonds are a highly appreciated ingredient in Italian pastries, especially in the southern regions like Sicily, where almond paste and almond sweets are deep-rooted traditions. The almond milk used in this recipe adds creaminess and an intensely almond flavor that pairs perfectly with the sweetness of the strawberry jam. If you can't find almond flour, you can simply make it by grinding peeled almonds in a blender until you get a fine powder. Be sure to do this intermittently to avoid ending up with almond butter instead of flour.